Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new C6 smartwatch. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, what we have in the software, what option this watch will give us, and we will do some tests, see how this watch will work. Also, we will see how to make phone calls with this watch. In the next video, we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So if you're interested to see all of this, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that. In the new C6 smartwatch, we have a 1.28-inch full touchscreen, and it's made from zinc alloy. We have function like Bluetooth calls, alarm clock, we have distance alarm, looking for mobile phone, calendar, music play, step counter, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, sanitary reminder, remote photography, remote notification, etc. Also, we have different languages, so it helps everyone understand it. In the package itself, as you can see, we have the watch and the bands. We have here one very good pair of bands, and we have a very good color as well. You can see the watch is in the middle, protected with all the plastic, and the bands are made from leather with this really good color that we didn't have before in our channel. Underneath all that, we have magnetic charger for the C6 and the user manual in Chinese and English as well. Very good, very helpful to understand it. When you put the bands, this is how it will look like. As you can see, we are starting up the watch, and we have the first look at the watch. At the taskbar, as you can see, we have here the shortcuts for do not disturb, alarm, camera, timer, brightness, etc. Press and hold to change the faces. As you can see, we have quite a few faces here that looks pretty good, and we can change them as many times as we want. These are very good faces. In the right, we have the daily activity. Next, we have the menu where we can start with dialer. We will see later how to make phone calls. And after that, we have the contacts where we have to connect first with the Bluetooth, and we will show you that too. We have messages, contacts, camera, pedometer, sanitary reminder, Siri, music. We have camera shot. As you can see, most of these options work with Bluetooth, so we have to connect it first. We have the music control, as I said, alarm clock, search, find phone, weather, heart rate, sports, and all these kind of stuff that we mentioned before. More or less, we have the same options as in the last smartwatches that we unboxed. You can see the sports here as well, only 4 of them. Sanitary timing, sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure in one place. We have the Siri that we can try later, calendar, and we have the weather at the top, drink reminder, QR code, pedometer, settings, battery, and this is what we have. Also, we have a calculator, which we didn't see before in a smartwatch. So more or less, this is what we have in the C6. Let's begin here with some tests. First that we can test without the Bluetooth is the sports. Running is the first option. As you can see, 3-second countdown, and it begins immediately. We have the time at the top, burn calories, seconds going under the calories, steps, kilometer, and blood pressure. We don't have anything else in the right or left. We have only in the left to shut down this running method. Same with other sports, it tells you a couple of information. Not too many, but I think these are enough. Let's go to the health caring. Blood pressure is the first option. Press start, and as you can see, it starts to measure immediately. And we don't have any first result. It gives you the final result with the first sign. As you can see, it shows you with time and date what result you get, and also it saves all these results in the app for us later to check out what we did. So this was heart rate and blood pressure, basically health management as it says in the watch itself. We saw other options about health, which is drink reminder and sanitary time. Be active and drink water so you get better result while you are running or walking, whatever activity you are doing. So to connect it, we will see in the next video how to connect with the app. But to connect with Bluetooth, we have to go here, Bluetooth, search, and as you can see, it found our phone immediately. Press pair and we should get a notification like this. As you can see, press pair and connect. In case this doesn't pop up for you, just go ahead in the Bluetooth like you are pairing something and you will find the C6 to make phone calls. Now let's try dialing here a number, and as you can see, it synchronizes with the phone immediately and we can talk in the C6 without any problem. Also, we can use Siri as well. The microphone and the speaker in the C6 is very good, and we can use both of them, make phone calls, receive calls, reject calls, talk in the C6, or even use Siri as you can see like I did by opening the YouTube. You can do much more. You can search whatever you want, the microphone will work, and the good thing is you don't have to go near the watch to hear you. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.